Online students, any doubts from the previous sessions? Did you create yesterday? మీరు నిన్నే కదా నిన్న మొన్న వచ్చారు కదా నిన్న రాలేదు. నిన్న ఇంకో ఇద్దరు వచ్చారు, వాళ్ళు రాలేదు. చూద్దాం, ఒక 5 minutes చూసి స్టార్ట్ చేద్దాము. నిన్న కూడా రివిజనే చేశాను, నేను కొత్త టాపిక్స్ ఏం చెప్పలేదు. అంటే ఎవరో ఇద్దరు ముగ్గురు కొత్త వాళ్ళు వచ్చారు, వాళ్ళు ఆన్లైన్ ఆఫ్లైన్ డిసైడ్ చేస్తున్నారు, అందుకని కొత్త టాపిక్స్ చెప్పలేదు వీళ్ళకి. కానీ టాస్క్ ఇచ్చాను ఒకటి, చేస్తే వాళ్ళు అంతవచ్చు. Okay, so in the last sessions we have discussed about the basic structural and the presentation tags. And also in the beginning I have discussed about little what is a list tag and all. So I will continue that list tag today. Okay, any doubts in the last sessions? Online students, anyone? Like about what are the basic tags and how to install HT Visual Studio? No doubts, right? Okay. Okay, so we have seen all bold, italic, all the simple presentation tags. And after that, in the semantic tag itself, I'm going to discuss about the list tags today. Okay, we have just started the list tag. Like what are the types of list we have? Ordered list, and the second one is like unordered list, and then the third one I have created like glossary list. These are the three types of list that we have. They are created, and I have told the types of list. So first one we are going to discuss about the ordered list. Ordered itself tells that if you will arrange the data in a particular ordered. So for the ordered list tag, OL is the tag. What is the tag? OL. OL stands for ordered list. Whether it is ordered or unordered, to specify the list of items in the list, we have LI. LI stands for what? List of item. OL stands for ordered list. LI stands for list of item or list item. Okay, that is a definition. And inside this we are going to write what? List of items, whatever it is. If you are talking about any electronic goods, you can tell like list of items or laptop, li. And again you will be writing one more list of item like laptop, mobile, and this is one more list of item. And again li, and here we are going to write like a tablet. These are the list of items. And then we save with what? Slash ol. We end with the tag. See, this is the open tag and this is the closing tag. Whatever you write between ol, open and closing tag, these all are the list of items of it. Okay, by default if you don't give number also, by default it will display the list of items by 1 2 3, like this it goes on. Okay, and if you want to specify with any other format, like you wanted to display in abcd or roman numbers, then how to display it? By default I said it will display in what? One laptop, two mobile, and three what? Tablet. But if you wanted to display in any other format, you have to use one attribute to it. So what is that attribute? Is for the ol you will write a type attribute. What is that? Type attribute. In this type attribute you can mention like what type of data you want. Like you want as a number, you can specify, or alphabet, or capital A or small a, or roman numbers capital or small, any one of it you will write. Then it will display in that order. Then it will display in that particular order. Okay, so now I will show one simple example on how to create it. Okay, so all of you please check. If anyone are joining today for the first time, I know it will be little confusing for you. So I will continue the session, and at the end, I will leave before 15 minutes. And those who are joining today or yesterday, I can revise for them. Okay. Okay, now let us open the Visual Studio that we have installed. So this is our folder that we have created. So how to open it? If it is not there, go to the file and click on what? Open folder. And we created one folder, right, in C drive. What is the folder name? U15 we created, and select that folder, then it will be opened here. You can see, is it open? These are the files we created from past few days. So now I'm going to create one example on ordered list. So ol dot olist dot html, I'm creating olist dot html. So any file, we know we have to save with what? Dot html. Now here I'm going to write like html. This is the starting tag we discussed, like this is a basic tag html. And then if you want, you can write head section, or we can directly write what? Body tag. And inside the body tag, you have to, now we wanted to create what? We wanted to create the ordered list. Now I just want some heading. I'm writing in some h2 tag like a heading, like what? Example of ordered list మీరు ఏదైనా ఇవ్వచ్చు. So example of ordered list. And then here I said the parent tag of it is what? OL. So just if you give open tag, it will create what? Close tag. Okay. And here I'm going to write li. Li stands for what? List of item. So here I'm writing whatever I have just explained. Now just I'll write the subject names html, and another list of item like css, and another list of item like javascript. Just I am mentioning. And the framework you are going to learn is like React JS. React JS. So these are the list of items we have provided in the OL. See, now I'm going to save this once again, and I'm going to execute this. Save. And after OL we closed with body and then HTML. Now press F5, it will be executing with the browser. So now you can see here, it is going to display what? Ordered list. All the items are displayed in a particular order 1, 2, 3, and then 4. Okay. I did not mention anything that it has to be a number or alphabet or something. By default, it is displaying in what? Number format. Now you want one more ordered list. Okay, let us write the ordered list. And the list of items now I wanted to get in a let us say alphabet format. Any list of items you want, you can take it. Like I'm taking some tea, one first list of item, and then li coffee, and then just li tea coffee, and then you can give some Pepsi, some cool drink, something. I'm giving three list of items. But for this I want the type as like alphabet or Roman numbers. If I give a small a, then you can see the output. I'm just refreshing. Whenever you add some extra code to it, you have to resave it, go to the browser, and then refresh if it is already opened. We got it? Yes or no? ABC. And in the same place, if you want Roman numbers, you can type same list here. I am typing one more ordered list, and here I will give the Roman numbers capital or small, whatever you want. Now you can see here in the output, we got in what? Roman numbers. that is ordered list. Same thing in the place of OL, if you give UL, it becomes what? Unordered list. But the type attributes for the unordered list are little different. Like type will be not alphabets or Roman numbers, circle, disk, square, like that you will have. So we will just change what? The type attribute to it. Okay, so this is a simple ordered list that we can create. Clear everyone? How we have created? I just wrote the same. This is a first ordered list, this is a second one, and this is a third one. Got it? And this H2 heading, if you wanted to have in the center of the page, we write align equal to what? Center. Align equal to center. Now you can save and you can just refresh. It comes to the center of the page. And you want some color to the background. So body bg color is equal to, you can give some simple color, pink, and then refresh. So light pink color you will get. Got it? So like this we can add. Now same example I will be writing for unordered list. Same example for what? Unordered list. So I will just copy this code same, but I will be changing with what? Unordered list. So ul ist list dot html. Okay, so online students, if you have any doubt, please let me know. So I'm copying the same code here, and you can see in the place of OL, I am going to write like UL. UL stands for unordered list, and here also UL and UL. And here, wherever OL is it, just change with what? UL. That's it. It will be unordered list. LIR same. LI tag doesn't change. Okay. Now, the type attribute also will be changing. Okay, like you can give like circle, or you can give like square, something, whatever you want. I'm saving this, go back to the browser, and now, okay, so this is not executed, no, previous order. Now I have to run this again. By default you will be getting this dot. After that you can get circle, or this is what? Square, or you can give disk type also. So this is how unordered. Same, I did not write anything different. In the place of OL, I changed it to what? UL. And in the place of type is equal to, I wrote their alphabet or Roman numbers. Here I wrote what? Circle and square. Understood? Online students, is it clear? Is it clear, online students? Swati, Hemant, Manish, okay. Sharon, Sai, Kiran, okay. Abhinav, okay, fine. So like this, we have to create the ordered list and unordered list. Yes, this is fine. But now, sometimes you will be creating nested list. What is that? Nested list. In one list, we will be having sub list, right? When I told you CSS, I told there are three types of CSS. What are they? Inline, internal, and external. These are the three types. Not only this, any topic you take, you will have subtopics. Yes or no? So when you want nested list, how to create it? Okay, I will show that example now on nested list. This is ordered list, and next we have seen unordered list. So UL stands for the unordered list, and for this also we have the list of items that we have seen. So UL, and you wrote the list of items, and like this we continued and we closed the UL. This is what we wrote. And next, now I'm going to discuss about nested ordered list and unordered list both. In one list, one more list we have to write. So how you will be writing? If you are considering ordered list only here, you will be writing OL and the list of items LI. Okay, so let us say we are writing like html, the first list of item, and the second list of item, as I said, we are writing what, css, and close the list of item. And here I want three again list. Css have again three types. How? Here you start ol, here you start what, ol, and in this ol I am writing the list of item like inline css, and close the list of item. This list of item is for this OL. You need not leave space. It automatically adds space, but for your understanding, I'm writing li, and then I'm writing like external CSS. Okay, and then next close the list of item, and then again I'm writing the list of item. Inline internal CSS is also there. Internal CSS. Go with the list of item, and then close the OL. Which OL we have closed? This one, which is inside. This OL we have closed. Still outer OL is there. Okay, so here first list of item is HTML, second list of item is CSS. In this we wrote one more list. Here it can continue. The third list of item will be again like a JavaScript, and then close the list of item. Again, if in JavaScript one more list is there, you can create, no problem. Like that you can create wherever you want one more list, start again OL, that's it. And then close the list of item. And if you want one more list of item also, you can just add for the framework. And then once it is done, close the list of item, and then close the outer OL. Outer OL, that is ordered list. Got it? This is how the nested list. It can be both for ordered and unordered. Same thing. OL place no UL event. And you can have combination also. That means what? In ordered, you can create unordered. And in unordered, you can create ordered also. Both are possible. That also one example I will show you. So first I will execute this example. So all of you see here. Same example which I wrote now. We are going to create one, so nested list. What is that? Nested list dot html. So here I'm going to write like html. Is it visible? Should I increase the font? Is it okay? Okay, html, and then the body tag, and here in the h2 heading I'm writing like nested list. And then after this, same whatever I wrote now, I'm just copying the same code. Ordered list html css. Now I saved this, and I'm going to execute this. Can you see? Okay, third one, I have missed anything empty. Okay, I forgot to close the backslash, so it is coming like this. Save this, and then let us refresh. We got, see, this is 1 2, and again into 1 2 3 3 4. I did not use the type attribute, so for everything it is giving what, 1 2 3 and all. Suppose here first you want 1 2 3, here you are giving type is equal to, in double quotes, capital A. Save this, and then go back and refresh. We got, for the outer list we did not give type, by default numbering, but inner list I have given type is equal to A, so it is giving A B C, like that it will continue. So this is an example of what, nested ordered list. Clear everyone? Online students, is it clear how we wrote the nested ordered list? Okay. Same example we can write with what? Unordered list. Like in same, you will write in the place of OL, what you will write? UL. Okay, you try to create that by tomorrow. Same itlage unordered list create చేయండి. Okay, so now If you wanted to create in ordered, unordered list, what we can do? In the place of here, I am going to write what? UL. Outer is OL only, but the inner is what? UL. I will just do this. I will create one more ordered list. See here, I am copying the same list here, but this is a second list. Here, outer is OL, inner is like what? UL, and type is equal to, I am giving as like a circle. Okay, so now I'm saving this, and for here, I will keep the heading here. Again, I'm writing one H2 heading like a nested list combination, just for the separation. I'm saving this, go back to the browser and then refresh. Now, can you see here? Okay, so let us close this little properly. Here, I have opened UL, so it has to be UL, and let us save this and refresh. So now you can see these both are same, nested list only, nested list 1 2, but here ABC, in here 1 2, but here what? UL, and in that I also give type as what? Circle. And then this space, it is not coming because I have given space. It is automatically given when you are giving nested list. It is sublist, right? It has to by default shift its indentation. So that is the reason it is automatically arranging. By view itself, it should be clear. That's why we tell HTML is to structure the content of what? Web page, or any content you are displaying on web page. So it will be giving like this. So this you can choose in any combination. Outer side you can give UL, and inner side you can give what? OL. Any combinations you can write. And here in the framework, if you feel, there are two types of framework, Angular JS and React. So here again you can write like OL or UL, whatever you want, OL. And here you are writing the list of items like Angular JS, and again I am writing the list of item like React JS. Two list of items, and here I will give like a type is equal to, and I'm going to give. Now you can see here again the frameworks are added. ఒక ఐటెంకే ఉండాలని రూల్ లేదు. మనం ఎన్నిటికి కావాలన్నా ఇట్లా సబ్ లిస్ట్ రాసుకుంటూ వెళ్ళొచ్చు. చూడటానికి పెద్దగా ఉంటుంది కానీ ప్రోగ్రామ్ లుక్స్ లెంగ్తీ, బట్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఈజీ. జస్ట్ సేమ్ స్టెప్స్ నేను కాపీ చేశాను అంతే. రిపీట్ ordered list, list of items. Online students, is it clear? I'm sharing this example in the chat box. Just see here. No, it is not possible to give any decimal values. You can just give like a normal format, numbering, or alphabets or Roman numbers. Okay, yeah. Clear everyone? Online students? Can you see this, everyone? So how it is given? Nested, unordered list, and it has core, advanced, and then what? frameworks. For advanced, we have given with Circle, JDBC, servlets, and JSP. And for frameworks, we have given Angular and React. So all of you seeing this code, whatever I have written, try to write code for this. Just అది చూస్తూ ఇది రాయొచ్చు సింపుల్. All of you, those who are attending online, take the screenshot of this, and offline people, you can note down the question. I will open the code that I have written. Just to try once. Okay, this you can take a picture or you can note it down and then try writing code for this once. Okay, have you taken this? I will just show the code that I have written now. Normally how we wrote in ordered, unordered, for the same thing you try that. If you want me to share the question again, please let me know. Divya, have you joined today for the first time? Online student, can you hear me? Okay. So are you following? Do you already have any basic idea of this? Okay. Okay. Hanif, I think you joined yesterday also, no? Okay. So just, I think they have shared the recordings, and just to go through the recordings, what? And today I will, by the end of the session, I will give you some time so that you can just ask me the doubts or if you are not understanding anything. And tomorrow also, those who missed the last sessions and all, I will start the session by 4:45 only. Join the session. Those are missed any sessions or joined only today or yesterday, so that I can revise you the previous concepts. Okay, those who are joining online or offline, please join the session 15 minutes before so that I can revise the missed sessions. Even though you go through recording, if you want anything, I can just revise on that. Create చేశారండి. Okay. Online students, if you create, you can just share it to me. All of you, can you see this picture? Okay, so take the screenshot of it and create by tomorrow, not now. ఓకే, ఈ స్క్రీన్ షాట్ కూడా తీసుకొని అసైన్మెంట్ కింద రేపటికి క్రియేట్ చేయండి. సి ఎవ్రీడే ఐ విల్ బి గివింగ్ యూ సమ్ ఆర్ ది అదర్ అసైన్మెంట్స్ జస్ట్ టు హ్యావ్ టు మేక్ యూ ప్రాక్టీస్ ఆన్ ద కోడ్. By tomorrow, everyone have to create this nested list. It's the combination of both ordered and unordered. It's not a single list. First, practice the codes that I have told today, and then you can image you want me to show again. Okay. Blur. Like this, can you take? But it is not showing fully, that's why I have. If you go through one's recording also, you can see. Okay. If the picture is not clear, once you check with the recording, so that you will see. Okay. Someone has created. Okay. Manish nested or unordered list. Core. And in advance, you gave circle. Okay. Okay, Manish. Okay, by from Monday you will be getting the PDF, and those who enrolled, I will try to share it maximum by tomorrow. Once the batch is formed, they will create a Google Classroom and share it to you so that I can share the documents. Maximum by Monday you will be getting. By tomorrow itself I will try. If not, by Monday you will get all the everyday notes text document, whatever I am running notes that I am typing here, this you will be getting, and the document also. Okay, so today I am teaching about list. I have a document on the list, like what is list of item, whatever I told, there is a document on that, so I will share this also. You can go through that. Okay, clear? So I think, I hope it is clear for everyone. Ordered list, unordered list, and nested list. Okay, Swati, you have created. Okay, unordered list, list. See, in the UL, you have to type here circle, Swati, because if you observe the output I have shared, there is circle inside. So you have to give for a JDBC UL you have given, right? There type is equal to circle you have to mention. And for the frameworks also, in the UL you have to mention circle. Okay, other than that it is correct. Okay, yes. So next, we, as I said, there are three types of list. Now we have seen ordered, and then what? Unordered list. And the next type of list, the third one, is glossary list. What is that? Glossary list. Everyone created it. Do you want my help? Shall I create it once? ఈ ఎగ్జాంపుల్కి నేను కోడ్ రాయమంటారా ఒకసారి? షుడ్ ఐ రైట్ ఇట్? డన్. యూ టు క్రియేట్ చేశారా? ఓకే, ఫైన్. సో నౌ సీ హియర్, we are discussing about what? Glossary list. So what is this glossary list? It's like, if you watch a movie for a hero or something, you will have some caption for it, no? So for every heroes. Okay, like for a movie or a hero, suppose Allu Arjun, you, if you feel like the stylish star, there will be one caption, right? Like that. For a movie also, they will give the some description, like about the movie, some tag name or something like that. If you wanted to create, then you have to create what? Glossary list. So the glossary list have tags like dd, first one, and you will be having dl, dd, and dt. dl, dd, and then what? dt. These three are the tags for the glossary list. Are the tags for what? Glossary list. So okay, all of you, I will be checking. Just continue with the session. Okay, dl, dd, and then what? dt. These are the three types that we have in the glossary list. dl, the list of items, the data definition list, and dd stands for data definition, and then dt stands for data term. So this is for the full list of items, DD and DT for the definition, and then what? Terms. You can check with the documentation also, like the definition list, DL, and then which will describe the data definition and data item or data term. So first you will be writing with the DL tags. So what you will write here? DL, the list of items. And next DT I will be writing. I will just write a T, and I will close the DT, and I will write the description about the tea, that is like a hot drink. Okay, and I will close the DD, and then close what? DL. Okay, so this is our term and this is the definition of it. Like I said, right? Tag name or abbreviation. If I write here HTML, I can write hypertext markup language or some information about it. If I say tea, if you see that, okay, tea means it's a hot drink. If I write cola, it's a cool drink. Like that, I can just tell the definition about the terms. For these all is considered as what? Glossary list. Okay, so now same thing I will be writing in the example. Just have a look, everyone. Here I'm going to write like glossary list dot html. Like this I'm creating. Now here I'm going to write like html and then the body tag, and then here I'm going to write in h1 heading like glossary list. Okay, and then here I'm going to write like ol, sorry, like the data definition list DL, and here I'm going to write the data term here, and then the term I'm writing like coke or something, and then DD, data definition, a cool drink. Like this I'm just mentioning. I'm going to save this, and then let us run this example. I'm going to run this example. You can see here by default it is coming like this: coke, a cool drink as a tag. Understood? We have not given any space. We wrote equally. But how we got? DL for the data list of item, DT for the term, where is Coke, and this is what? A cool drink. Got it? Understood, everyone? Online students, those who want to make a note of it, you can just quickly make a note. Okay, clear? Here also, whenever you want to apply some colors to the list, you can apply like this color. If you see, this is what? A nested list. But we have the background color as what? Yellow. And the text color is what? Red. Like this, we have added different colors for the nested list. So, how to apply the color for it? Nested, ordered, or unordered list. I can just show you. Okay, we have to add the style tag. You still do not know that, but basically I can add some color to it. Instead of providing it here, you can just provide the background color. to the body tag bg color, and for the text we have to use some other tag bg color is equal to some background color red or something, and then I can just execute this. Where you can get for the text color, we have to change, we have to write using font color, or we will be setting that by using the style tag, style attribute, that we will discuss in few classes when we start css. There you will know how to add a separate color for each and everything. Okay, you can give any color, red, yellow, purple, pink, or whatever it is. That looks so bright. Okay, let us give some peaceful color. Okay, so like this we can create the different types of ordered, unordered, and what nested list. Okay, all of you, whatever the assignment I have given, just try with that, and you can also practice. You can write like this. If you want a hyphen, just add one hyphen before it. So now in the output, previously whatever we have seen for the glossary list, if you see here in the glossary list we are getting like this. If you want a hyphen to be added, you can add like this, so then it will display like with hyphen. Okay, and you can add multiple items to it, not only single item. You can take one more item, and you can write here, as I said, the t, and then you can just write the definition here, dd, and then you can write like a hot drink, and then you can add little hyphen here. Save this, and then go back to the browser and then refresh it. We got a hot drink. Okay, so like this, how many list of items you want, also you will write the data term and data definition, and then you will continue. Okay, you can write multiple list of items however you want. If you want, you can give you any your favorite hero or heroine name, or director or movie name, anything. Tell any hero name, favorite hero. Pavan Kalyan. Okay, so what tag I should give here now? What should I give? Hmm. Okay, I'm saving this, and then I'm going to refresh it. So like this we can give. If you add the hyphen, you will just it will tell about the person or anything or anything. Just by seeing the abbreviation, you should understand about that item. That's whatever you are giving the object name or a person, thing, anything. Okay, is it clear, everyone? So, okay, practice these all, and whatever we discussed from the beginning. Tomorrow we'll continue with some other type of presentation, semantic tags. Okay, so we have seen different tag list of tags, right? Okay, in this we have seen about the layout tags, and we have seen about the layout tags, and we have seen about what semantic in that presentation and list we have seen. And tomorrow we will see about some links, and also dividers, background colors, and special characters. Okay, so just I am leaving little early because there are few new people joined today also. So I will be just discussing with them if they have any doubts or if they miss any sessions. Okay, from Monday, your class will be 1 hour compulsory. Since demo sessions and few people are joining frequently, I'm just taking for 45 to 50 minutes. Once our session starts, it will be for 1 hour class compulsory. Okay, and then you can practice in lab before or after the session. Mostly 5 to 6, right? You can come 1 hour, 2 hours before, and you can sit in lab and practice. So mentor is there, and I will be there. I can clarify your doubts. Okay, so any more questions about today's session? Okay, so those who joined today for the first time or the demo session, yesterday I have shared some number, right, So all of you please message to that number that you have attended the demo session, so that they will give you the recordings, that from day one, whatever the recordings that have been done, so that you can go through that in the weekend. You can attend tomorrow's session also, and then just go through the recordings on Saturday and Sunday. Okay, so I'm just sharing the number: 8978 345 8978 345 So you just, everyone, both online and offline students, give a message to this number, so that they will send the recordings to you. Okay, everyone understood, right? About how to work with Visual Studio. Did everyone install it? Okay. We can also add some external browser to it also to run. That also we will see in the next sessions how to work with it. Okay, if you want, you people can sit here till 6 o'clock and practice. No problem. Okay. So online students, do you want me to explain anything that we you missed in the previous sessions regarding course, or what is HTML, basic tags, or anything? You can ask me, and others can just message to this number and leave the session. Hanif, Vaishnavi, and Sai Kiran, do you want me to explain about anything?
No, ma'am.
Okay. And what about Hanif? Do you have any questions?